Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can pause your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin page. After logging into your Shopify store, open your Shopify admin page and then click on the settings button. After that, click on the plan button from the left menu bar. And now click on the deactivate trial button. After clicking deactivate trial button, now you have to select the reason for pausing your store or for deactivating your account. So select a reason for that. Now a dialog box will appear. You have to enter your password here and then click on the deactivate button. So that's how you will pause your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.